A new state-of-the-art machine is revolutionizing waste separation of organic and non-organic waste and pre-treatment for anaerobic digestion. This allows mixed household waste to be turned into clean, high-quality products. The innovative separation system achieves an efficiency of 98%, which is an improvement of over 30% compared to current separation methods. Households in Europe create 3 billion tons of waste per year, and around 60% of this is lost to landfills and incineration. At 31%, bio-waste is by far the largest fraction in today's household waste. In Southern Europe, bio-waste can even represent as much as 55%. Separation of bio-waste at home is often hard to implement. Mentality and culture greatly influence the participation rate and efficiency of separation. Even in Germany, only half of bio-waste is separated by households. Mechanical separation through shredding and sieving is the most widespread method today. The problem is that separated organic material is often not pure enough, meaning that it may cause serious damage in biogas plants and may produce poor quality compost full of contaminants.
Existing systems currently have a separation rate of 60 to 65%. With the new Orex press, we were able to improve this rate by about 30%. The organic waste is particularly suitable for biogas and composting plants because the squeezed-out material is very clean. The dry fraction from the Orex press has a very high calorific value and can be turned very well into energy in RDF power plants.
But how does the machine work? Wibbo Kogel is the Separate project manager from DB Technologies.
Waste is brought in by a conveyor belt and the material falls from the feed hopper into the in-feed chamber. The wet organic fraction is then pressed out under high hydraulic pressure. We achieve very good separation of wet organic fraction and dry fraction. The wet material falls down into the screw and is transported away. A flap opens and the ram that had pushed the material into the chamber now pushes out the dry fraction. This process takes less than a minute.
Once mixed waste is separated into clean organic and non-organic fractions, it is easy to make high-quality products. Compost and biogas that could be transformed into electricity, heat or liquid gas from the wet fraction, and more recyclables and a high-quality fuel substitute from the dry fraction. At EGW Gescher, a public waste management body in North Rhine-Westphalia, Germany, Separate carries out long-term tests of different waste streams separated with the new technology. Independent laboratories analyze and certify the quality and characteristics of the separated waste. Dr. Martin Edelman, Chief Technology Officer at EGW, sees benefits from the new separation system.
For us, it's of interest to produce a lot of biogas from the material within a short time. The advantage of the separation system is that we obtain a very pure product for fermentation through a single pressing process from previously impure bio-waste.
The Separate waste system is tried and tested and readily available on the market. It finds profitable applications for the separation of household waste, separately collected bio-waste, monostreams, and as pre-treatment for anaerobic digestion. The Separate waste system. High-quality products from waste.